Hi, I'm Geoff Luby, and real estate's all about location, location, location. Here we are at Artarmon, a suburb 15 minutes to the city by train, 5 minutes to Chatswood Shopping Centre train station and the new metro line. It's a suburb known for its wonderful cafe lifestyle, fantastic schools. If you're a first home buyer or an astute investor, this could be your dream come true. And here we are to finish off at one of these family-friendly parks in the suburb of Artarmon. I'm Geoff Luby, enjoying life and absolutely loving real estate.